today I want to take a quick look at Marshalls to see what they have in new for designer fashion accessories. These Birkenstocks were there. They are pretty gold and they were $60. If you see Birkenstocks, I've been seeing a few lately. You might want to grab those. This I just thought was real pretty. The colors, the way it like ombres down, it kind of has like a little shimmer to it. $35. That'll make a nice little summer dress. If you're looking for summer dresses, you might want to head over to Marshalls. They had a ton of swimsuits, the different styles. They had full piece swimsuits, they had two-piece swimsuits. These I just thought were real pretty, and because of the ruching on the side, the support in the bust there, these will be good and like flattering for your figure, like different figures, and they were like $25. This right here, this would look like a little mini dress because the top part comes down as a bathing suit underneath. $50 for that. So if you're looking for some swimsuits, you might want to head over to Marshalls because they have a lot of nice ones out. This one, another one I thought was cute with the details because of the ring there. It's one shoulder. It has just like kind of like a little retro look on it, and it is $40 for that one. So yeah, polka dots are always great, and then it has a kind of like that high-end look to it too. This one, a little striped one, it has a little ruffle detail to it, and it's like a Vince Camuto. They have a lot of that brand there too, so $30 for that. This one, just a nice basic color. Even though I've been watching things lately and they say blue with kids in the water is no good, but this is for an adult. So $30 for that one. They have some cover-ups. So you can grab this one right here for $20. Most of their cover-ups, kind of all look the same. So, but if you need a cover-up, you might want to head over. This I just thought was real nice and bright. So if you're looking for like a bold print for the summer, for the spring, $40. It has like a high neckline. It's a Nicole Miller. Just real pretty. If you're looking for something neutral, Marshalls has that too. This is kind of the same cut, but the neckline you can see is different. It has cute little pockets on it, and it is $40 for that one. And you can see like the braiding detail around this one. Kind of gives you more of a boho vibe. These are some more bold print dresses that'll be great for summer, for spring. This one, $40 right here, and it kind of has like that slip dress cut, and it's like has pockets, and it's kind of like a maxi fit for this one. This one right here you can wear to work, and it has like that pretty like emerald like green color to it. I thought that was nice. $25 for that one. It has a little belting detail, and then the buttons go good with it. This one I love floral prints in spring and summer, so yeah, you might want to check those out. $30 for that one right there. These are giving me like a vintage, sophisticated kind of look. So this one is like a pretty pink. $30 for this one right here, and it has like that classic cut with little pockets in the front to give it like that retro vibe. This one right here, you can see the details on the sleeves, so that's just real pretty to me. And it's a Calvin Klein, $35. That has like that gold zipper in the back. And then this one, that's definitely saying retro right there with the neckline, and that one was $40. And again, it had that gold zipper there in the back. This one, I just thought it was funny because I brought a jumpsuit with this print from Marshalls years ago, and now they have the same print, but it's a different type cut. But I love my jumpsuit. So if you can polka dot jumpsuit, $30. You might want to head over to Marshalls. This one right here, another nice neutral color for the season. So it's like that pretty mint, Calvin Klein, and it still has like kind of like that boho look like the other one. $40 for that one right there. This one, another floral print. And this is like kind of that pretty girly cut with the details in it. $35 for that one right there. So yeah, Marshalls has a lot of good dress options right now for spring, for summer. These shoes right here, $60, and they're Coach. I noticed a lot of gold sandals. So I'm thinking gold sandals going to be big this season. These little Michael Kors flats right here. I just love a pair of flat shoes. The white part is just holding down the hoops. Doesn't stay there. These Tommy Hilfiger sandals right here, $30, and they're just a nice neutral color. These, another cute little pair of flats, $25 for these right here. Another pair of gold sandals, these Michael Kors, $50 for those. So yeah, they had a lot of gold sandals in today, and like just pretty neutral colors. These wedge sandals I thought were pretty. So they're Kenneth Cole, $40 for those. The blue is nice. It kind of gives you that nautical look with that color blue right there. So if you're looking for some wedge sandals, those are cute. These Tommy Hilfiger ones are cute too. I like the way the like black Swedish like material looks against the that material. These right here, so these are now West little pair of like bold orange sandals for $30. These Steve Madden sneakers, I thought these were nice with the neutral colors. They did have a little scuff on it, but $50, and it's like they could rub right out. Another pair of little gold sandals, so like a wedge sandal, little Kate Spade, $100 for those right there. So yeah, it was a lot of gold. This orange swimsuit, love it. $35 for this. It's just a classic cut. It has the little gold things on it. It's the Lucky brand, but the material, I don't know if it's like gonna pick it up. The material is kind of like a terry material, but not like a terry material. I just thought that was nice. This little swimsuit right here with the little ruffle details, the little back opening in the back, and then it has like that bold color to it, $40. This one loved. It has like the little mesh inserts, the little bold black and white print on it, and it is like asymmetrical. It has the one shoulder on there. I thought that one was nice. So yeah, just a ton of nice swimsuits. $30 for that one right there. So if you're looking for a swimsuit, you might want to head over to Marshall's and see what they have. This little Kate Spade bag, it goes with those sneakers, right? So this one was on sale, so it was marked down from $130, and just the colors are nice and neutral. This little Coach bag right here, another nice neutral color, $130 for that. They had a few Coach pieces in today when I went to Marshall's. So yeah, just simple colors, can just go through all of the seasons. And they're just like, classic pieces that you can keep wearing. This little Kate Spade bag right here for $130. I picked up a lot of white bags. I like white bags. I like them all year, really. This Kate Spade bag right here, $79 for this one right here. Another nice, simple one. This little Michael Kors bag, it has like a little two-tone in there. I always think that is cute when they do that. $150 for that one right there. And it just has like the classic print on it. This one right here, it's like the white color because we know I love that. And it's another Michael Kors for $150 for that. So yeah, a lot of great handbags, and I like that mid-size. This little wallet right here, I'm always on the hunt for a good wallet. This had like a lot of little card slots in it. It had like the little zipper, $50, not bad at all. This one was pretty with the color. It did have a little scuff on it, so I just thought it was a pretty little Michael Kors bag. So if you're looking for something smaller, I thought that one was cute for $130. They had that. This one is Calvin Klein one. Neutral. I like the browns. I like the light colors. $48. That one was on clearance. So yeah, this one, love the colors. This is saying spring. This is saying summer. So this is like a little cute Michael Kors one. $130 for that. You can see the Michael Kors ones are always like generally the same price. Calvin Klein, this one right here. And its colors are just like bold and cute for the season, but then still kind of neutral. It had the little card slot right there. $56. That one was on sale. And it was attached to this bag. Like they had the little things on it, and it was attached to that one. So that's a Lucky brand bag. Showed you that one. This Coach bag, pretty little color, and this one is like a smaller, and that one was $130 for this one. This one kind of like the same color, and it's like that brand that they always have. And I just thought that was a pretty color. This little Michael Kors one right here with the bold blue, and then the details on the strap there, $100 for that one right there. This little cute Kate Spade back one, you can see it's like a little, it's a mini, but it's not a mini. $58, and that one was on clearance. Another pretty blue one right here. This one is a little bit bigger. It has little tassels and stuff on it, and that one was on sale for $99. This little Coach bag right here, so you can see a lot of the same kind of colors. And then another one of those bags, from Italy. I love the green and the contrast on that one, just real pretty and perfect for the season. $50 for that one, not bad at all. Little cute backpack, little Kipling, and the little monkey chain on it. I just thought was cute. And that one was on clearance too. So yeah, they have a lot of options. These little Tommy Hilfiger pants, they kind of give that retro vibe, $25. And these are just cute. You can pair these with like a tank top. You can pair these with a button up. You can do these different ways. Another cute little pair of polka dot pants. Because I like polka dot in the warm season is just cute. And these are only $20, not bad at all. This little satin skirt, because satin skirts are always great. It's a little Nicole Miller. The pink color is real pretty. So if you're looking for a satin skirt, you might want to check your Marshalls out. $20 for that one, not bad at all. This is a little set. So you get both pieces. You get the top, you get the bottom. You can see the little details with the buttons on the skirt. And it's kind of like a midi fit and then like a crop top. And then it has like the shearing in the back. And it's only $30 for the set. So you get both pieces. So that's cute. And it look, vacation too. This jumpsuit, so cute. And the dress too. But this jumpsuit, so cute. So it kind of has like a little overlay to it. So it'll give you kind of that skirt look and pant look at the same time. It has kind of like a faux boning and stuff in it, like a little corset. It's only $25. I just thought that was real pretty. And then this dress is a little pretty color for the season. $20 for that. So it's just like a little basic rib knit dress. And based on how tall you are, to be like a maxi midi. This Calvin Klein robe. I'm always loving robes, and this is like kind of like a short length, but not like super short. The blue was real pretty on it. So if you're looking for robes, yeah, always check out Marshall's TJ Maxx. $25 for that right there. This little Calvin Klein bag, I thought it was interesting because it's kind of that asymmetrical cut at the top, and that one was on clearance too. So yeah, I thought that was cute. This is another little Calvin Klein bag with the pretty colors, and again, this one was on clearance for $48. This one I just thought was pretty with the straw-like details, and only $70. And it's just something a little different, and it has like a little scarf that you can attach to it. More swimsuits. Okay, so these, look at this. So it has them in all of these different colors. They're not all the same. They have like slight different cuts to them based on which color you get. But $40, I just thought these were so pretty and just something nice. If you like that crochet look, $40 not bad at all. That cute cover up there is $17. But you can see all of the colors: white, blue, olive, mustard, black, like just all of these different colors. I wanted one in like every color. So cute. This little bag right here, another nice one for the season with the neutrals, and only $50 for that. And it's like that made in Italy brand. And then this one right here, I just thought was cute. You look for a little black bag. They had a ton of black bags, but I just thought that one was real cute with the little backpack like detail to it. So yeah, you might want to head over to Marshall's and see what yours has right now.